How to enable Brave rewards on your Brave browser. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to your Brave browser. Now go to the top corner, click here on those three lines, go down, choose settings, and click on Brave rewards right here. Now click on Brave rewards here, this option. As you can see now they are disabled, and click, it will take you here, click start using Brave rewards, and click let's take quick tour if you want to learn. And after you finish, as you can see now we just turn it on the Brave rewards easily. You can add fonts from here if you want, and you can manage the settings easily from here. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.